Good morning. So in today's lesson, I'm going to teach you 12 most used words to learn Creole. So as you already know, guys, every day I got a mission to teach you Creole. So in this video today, just pay attention. You will be able to learn some Haitian Creole. Let's start. Hi. Hi in Creole mean sali. Hi. Sali. When we greet someone. Good evening. Good evening. Bonsoir. Good evening. Bonsoir. Without accent. You know, guys? Bonsoir. Day. 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 Jour. Day. Jour. Night. 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 Lannwit. There are two ways you could translate night in Creole. Firstly, you can say lannwit. Secondly, you can say nwit. Okay? Two ways that you can say good night in Creole. Okay? Morning. Morning. Signifie matin. Matin. Week. Week. Mean in Creole, semèn. Okay? Week. Semèn. Weekend. Weekend means fin semaine. Okay? Weekend, fin semaine. After Saturday. Okay? What? What? It's not what. Okay? Sometimes I see people say what. It's not what. Okay? It pronounced like what. What? Kisa. Kisa. What? For example, when we are talking with someone you don't understand, you could say what in Creole mean kisa. Okay? Jesus. Jesus, not Jesus. Okay? You could say Jesus. Jesus. Jezi. Jezi. Okay? Easy. 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 When something easy. Okay? Fasil. Difficult. It's difficult. Difficult mean difisil. Difisil. Okay? Few. Few. Kras. For example, I'm eating and I give you a few. Okay? I give you a little bit. Okay? Few means kras. Okay, guys? Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks a lot for watching me.